Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central St. Clair County until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Altoona to near Springdale to near Clay, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moody, Springdale, Odenville, Margaret, Argo, Rangeville, and St. Clair Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: St. Clair, Alabama,